Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and this is how to remove a doorknob. Now you can see I've got a screwdriver. This is a Phillips head, and there's two screws on one side of the doorknob, and you can see I'm unscrewing the first screw, and then there's going to be another screw on the other side. This is just a standard interior doorknob. You can find the one like I'm uninstalling linked within this video's description. The reason I'm uninstalling this is because I want to put one on that can lock, that has a key, and I've got a separate video where you can watch me install that doorknob. But this is just a standard interior doorknob. You can see on the inside, which is to the right side of the screen, the opposite side of me, it's got the little thumb lock thing. You can lock it with your fingers, but the outside does not have a keyhole. It's just got a hole where you can stick like a paper clip or something if you lock yourself out. So you can see I'm removing these two screws. This is the first step. You know, take your time. You may find, like I'm doing there, that you can get it out, you know, quite a bit with your screwdriver, but then you're probably just going to want to use your fingers like I do. And see, now I'm doing the other side with the screwdriver as much as I can, and then I will pull the remainder out, unscrew the remainder. See right there, I'm using my thumb and my index finger. So that's how I'm doing that. This is actually really simple. If you're afraid to replace a doorknob, you know, it's not that difficult, man. See, I just pulled it off. There it is. That's that piece. And then over here, and you may want to have somebody else there so it doesn't fall. I mean, that was kind of sketchy. Could have damaged my poor quality laminate flooring. But yeah. See, now I'm going to pull it out, and it's going to come out. There you go. There's that piece. And we've still got the piece in there that has a little doohickey, you know, that when you close and open a door, it makes contact with that other doohickey piece, whatever you call that doohickey piece. So with it, you just got these two screws. You got one at the top, one at the bottom. Just unscrew those, man. Unscrew them like a boss. See, I got one of the screws out, and now I'm going to get the other screw. So that is how to uninstall a doorknob, how to remove a doorknob. Appreciate your viewership. Be sure to subscribe and check out my other how-to videos too. And check out the video where I install my new doorknob. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.